Is the JBL Endurance Race still good? Hi guys, this is Rai. Welcome back to my channel, and we are checking out if this JBL Race TWS earbuds, which I brought and I have unboxed and featured on this channel last August 2022, still good after almost 1 year and 3 months of use. So there you go. This is the JBL Endurance Race TWS from JBL. You may wonder how it looks like. I'll take away this covering that I bought on an online shop. I have this rubber covering for it not to slip, and also that would cover it from any liquid spills or whatsoever. This is it. This is the gray variant. I have there the JBL logo. Then this is the charging case. It's still good and it's still intact. There you go. We have here the LED indicator if it's fully charged or not, and we open it. There you go, the case, and here you go, the earbuds itself. Let's take a look. Now this is after a year or more of use. So this is one of my go-to earbuds whenever I travel. I love the way this rubber thing here clings to my ear so it won't easily fall off, and I love the color with the big JBL design right there. Now these earbuds are quite large for those who have small ears. I don't know how it looks like if you wear them, but this is noticeable, and this is bigger than your average earbuds. I love the comfort of this with the ears, and it is ideal for longer use. Of course, it has a good battery capacity, and it's really good for me when I travel, so that's it. Now what I really love about this is the sound quality, in which it will be adjustable when you use the JBL headphones app. So I think I can just put a link down below. And of course, it has transparency, noise cancellation, and if you can see here, these earbuds right here is touch control, and you can assign what controls you would desire the earbuds to respond to. So it is settable, or you can set it on the JBL headphones app. Now, so far so good. This is still available in the market, and if you ask me if this is still a good buy, yes it is. So that's the update on how the JBL Endurance Race performs after more than a year of use. So this is Rai. Tell me what you think. For those who have this unit, what are your thoughts, and anything else you would like me to answer, you can place it on the comment sections below, and I will try to answer it via shorts, or I will just reply to you. So this is the Endurance Race TWS after more than a year of use. Thank you very much. This is Rai. See you on the next video. Bye.